Hello, today I'm going to show you how to push your exterior mirrors back in position. If you have such an exterior mirror pushed out of its position, this is not a big thing because they are built for that. If an exterior mirror has been pushed forwards, or you can also push it backwards out of the standard position, we push the exterior mirror into the correct position manually by using our hands. That is a cool feature that the mirrors are not damaged because of such a pushing out of the position thing. The same thing if you are go to the car wash station or something else, you can push your exterior windows, not the windows. You can push your exterior mirrors to the inner side of it. That means from the front side to the back side you can push that. That is better for the car wash area or in a parking situation, urban style, for example. This is the best choice to prevent from damage. Okay, so if it is pushed manually out of position, get back in position. And if you are go to car wash or you are parking in urban style, then you can push it manually to the rear side. Automatically, it will not break or broken after this action because these mirrors are built for this. That means everything is good if we push the exterior mirrors into the correct position manually after we have to do this, or we like to continue standard driving. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun Sun!